So from the outset, the Huawei MatePad Pro 5G bears an uncanny resemblance to the iPad Pro, but does this mean we have finally an Android tablet that can outright compete? Well, let's find out. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Right out of the gate, the Huawei MatePad Pro 5G is one of the very first 5G enabled Android tablets out there and offers an upgrade over the 4G MatePad Pro released late last year in China. The similarities between this model and the iPad Pro are undoubted, but with some notable and quite obvious changes up close and in hand. For starters, the 10.8-inch display feels like an all-screen design with soft chamfered edges really helping the device nestle into your palms without any sharp edges causing discomfort. On top of that, it comes in two colour options, white and a matte grey option, the white being more striking in my opinion. Naturally, as this is a 5G model, it comes with the new Kirin 990 5G chipset and 6 or 8GB of RAM, which makes this undoubtedly the most powerful Android tablet out there right now. In keeping with the iPad Pro, the MatePad Pro 5G also has some optional extra accessories, including a folding keyboard stand and M Pencil, which looks more like a marker than a pencil. And while impressive and accurate, it will be interesting to see just how useful the M Pencil is, given the Android app support is relatively low for peripherals. It's at this point we feel the need to mention again the lack of direct or official access to the Google Play Store, which continues with the MatePad Pro 5G. However, given that this is a tablet, it feels less of an issue. Watching movies and videos from Amazon Prime Video should be no issue. Netflix might pose some problems though, but this isn't quite like a smartphone in the same regard. Using a fully formed web browser means that apps are less necessary, as you can have a laptop-like experience with that larger display. Of course, there are still going to be problems with popular apps though. Combine this with the ability to connect to 5G networks though, and the MatePad Pro could be a work and productivity tablet when you don't feel the need to bring a bulky laptop around with you. It should even withstand an all-day usage with a massive 7250 mAh battery too. On top of that, it can help out by topping up your other gadgets thanks to reverse wireless charging, which we believe is a first on a tablet worldwide. Despite some shortcomings, I can't fault the package though, as it feels like the best Android tablet to date. It's a portion of the market that's sorely neglected, and the MatePad Pro 5G could be the best of a dwindling bunch. Even without access to the Play Store, this may be near the top of many shopping lists, but we'll reserve judgment until our full review in the coming weeks. As always, if you have any questions about the Huawei MatePad Pro 5G, slap them down in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer them all. Until next time though, this is Damon with 9to5Google and I will speak to you later.